Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So last December, I went home to Ghana to spend some time with my family and of course to reconnect and enjoy the holidays, right? So whilst I was home, I had the chance to visit a waterfall which is not too far away from Accra. So I'll bring you guys along the trip. It was a very nice trip. I got to spend time with my brother and my cousin. So my favorite part of the trip, apart from spending time with my brother and my cousin, and of course seeing the waterfalls, was the road trip itself. I think it was a very scenic drive. The roads were good for most of the trip, and I really enjoyed just the views. Like, it was a very nice drive. So we had so much fun singing along to some old Ghanaian music, like some old songs way in our childhood. It was so fun and we had a good laugh. And of course, Vincent had to put in all the drama, but it was so fun. Like, I really, really enjoyed the drive, like connecting, singing along, and just vibing with each other. And then of course we had to experience some untarred roads, like, but it was fine. Most of the trip was nice, most of the drive was scenic. We passed through some old historic towns and it was a very nice drive. Like, generally it wasn't that bad. Like, the untarred portions did not spoil the beauty of the road trip, so that was good. So we finally arrived after about an hour driving, which was cool. Like, yeah, it wasn't that bad. And then, when you usually go to waterfalls, like at least the waterfalls I've been to in Ghana, it's usually quite a hike from the roadside to where the waterfall actually is. But this was not too much of a walk. It wasn't even a hike at all. It was like a 2 minutes or 3 minutes walk to the place, so which was good. So we spent a good amount of time just exploring and taking in the views of the place. So the water is kind of too shallow to swim, so we really didn't swim. We just hung out around the place, took a few pictures, and then we headed back home.